How to add a reels to your story on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. You go first and you go to Instagram, then open it. After this guys, when your Instagram is opening, you will just go down here or here in icon of reels. For example, you want to share a reels in your story. For example, I want to share this. I will just go here in this share icon, then I click. Then I will click add reels to your story, like this. And then I will wait until the reels come to my story Instagram. And then when my story come to the reels come to Instagram, I will just come here and share this in my story like this. Share, and that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.